In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a great GitHub AI tool online that is free and it turns images into videos. And it's actually free, unlike playing Pika Labs Runway. This actually works and it is free. So it's called Animon.ai, and that's the website. And there you just want to sign up in the top right corner. Just put in the existing Google account. For all these things, they require a Google account very much. So, have one, not get one. So from there, it brings us back to the Animon.ai homepage. And from here, we just want to hit create. Select the image again. Create. Text. That's how we want our HTML mouse. This other mouse. See, that is a watermark that you have every day. So there's a number of ways to do it. Let's throw that in the app. Here's the same image that I took a screenshot of with padding, so I made it a little bit. Just knowing that eventually we are going to. And there you hit generate. It takes a minute for this thing to generate. Yes. The download button. Also gives you the option to share Animon.ai with a handful of friends, but it's free and it works just fine, so it's kind of unnecessary. Download button. This is image video. Mouse hitting the mouse into the spoon. Next, we want to show you how to do it with a photo image. Again, there's padding on the bottom of this image. And then you can view image to be turned into video. Beautiful runners happily walking down the path toward us. And then generate that. And quickly give us the option to download it. And I think this actually helps once it's clean. It makes it look a little bit more realistic. Blur helps. But crop that out. And here we go once more. Our mouse images, cartoon, and more realistic. And it's that simple.
Subscribe. Dropping gems daily. Questions? Leave them in the comments. I'm happy to answer.